This is the Bosch 700 watt 115mm diameter disc angle grinder. Its small lightweight design, weighing in at 1.7 kgs, makes it ideal for handling and low user fatigue. The grinder has a slight forward angle on the side handles for better grip and comfort. This grinder can be used as a grinder, a cut-off tool, a sander or a wire brush tool. This tool is considered universal in the Bosch DIY range, meaning it's suitable for home DIY projects or out in the field for more advanced uses. It has a great safety feature called the restart protection, which prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut. Or if you pull the plug out by mistake, it will not restart. You have to pull the switch back and then reset it so it will start working again. It's a great safety function. The cord length is 2.5 meters, thus you don't need an extension lead every time you use this tool. These small grinders are ideal in tight, awkward locations. They're a great versatile tool, awesome maneuverability, and a must-have in your garage. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.